I'll add the intro, okay, the intro of the song to the tutorial, okay, so that you'll be able to apply it in any phrase and medley that you play. Okay, so now let's start with the intro. It follows this sequence: six, that's your la, your six, then your five, that's your so, and then fa, that's your four, and then it went all the way to your mi, that's your three. Okay, so this is the melody line that he built that I also play. Okay, okay, I played it twice. Okay, so la la do do la ti, fa fa la la fa mi, la la do do la ti, fa fa la la fa mi. Okay, that's it. That's it. Very simple. After this, how I play the salsa. Okay, I played it based on the progression. La, I played la do la, and when I came to the so, I played so re so. Okay, so re so. Okay, you are just using your fifth. Okay, your fifth, the fifth note of the progression. Okay, just that you have to use the upper note. This is the fifth note of the la. Okay, this is the fifth note of the so. This is the fifth note of the fa. This is the fifth note of the mi. Okay, but then I didn't play that fifth note. I played la do la. Okay, okay. Instead of me, you can play do, and that's what the bassist did. So I play according to what the bassist played on the original song. So I played la do la. Okay, la do la instead of la mi la. Okay, but the rest I followed the fifth note sequence. Okay, so la do la so re so fa do fa mi. Okay, as I told you, for the me I didn't play the fifth note. Okay, so mi re do la so mi re do la. Okay, so mi re do la. Okay, so mi re do la. Okay, uh-huh. Da. So the mi so mi re so. Let me play it so that you all get it well. Okay, la so fa mi. Then afterwards they played so mi re do la. Okay, you get it. It's very simple. Okay, just that I didn't bring it. Okay, uh-huh. Then afterwards the auxiliary keyboard is keyboard. Okay, so that's all. So when the lead vocalist started the song, we see yes Maribo, yes Maribo, yes Maribo, yes Maribo, yes Maribo, okay, or yes Maribo, or yes Maribo. Yesu narido, papala Yesu, Yesu naribo, oh Yesu narido, anyhow you play it, it will fix. So I've given you instead of do la re or what the two notes I played do la note, high of do, then low of do. Do, do, la, re, octave, high of re, and then the low of re. So, or do, do, la, re, so, or you can choose to play do, do, la, re, so, do. Okay, re, so, do, do, la, re, so. Or to make it more comfortable, we can play do, do, la, re, so. So, da, ba, da, fa, ya, na, da, 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 yeah. So I play the working bass. Okay. Everyone has their own way of playing working bass, or their understanding or their approach to play working bass. This is my approach with this particular song. Okay. I have my own way of playing working bass. Okay. Oh, ba, 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 fa, so, fi, fa, mi, so, la, fa, la, so. Let's see how it went. I also play the different like fa, mi, do, mi, fa, re, fa, mi, do, mi, fa, re, fa, fa, re, fa, fa, re, fa, mi, do, mi, fa, re, fa. Okay, fa, re, fa, fa, re, fa, 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 re, fa, fa, mi, do, mi, fa, re, fa, fa. Okay, it's simple. For the first beat, me, I played it on the first string. That's my G string. Okay, okay, me. This my G string. This my I played the key here. My do. This my do. A one key A. So me do me. This my me. This my me. Okay, this my do. You just have to understand your fretboard. You understand it very well. Okay, or if you understand chords, you can be able to play it very simple. Okay, or very simple. Okay, so me do me fa re fa fa me do me fa re fa fa. Okay, it's simple. So I played that one. Okay, so you can rehearse until you get it. So Obeba, yes, Beba. I played it and I played I played Tito 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 Re Tito Re Tito Obeba, yes, Beba. So Yenene better that I played Balasos. Okay, instead of re so do. You can add this to your praise vocal when you are moving from re so when you are playing re so do. You can play re mi fa la so do or re mi fa la so do. Yeah, so yeah, better re mi fa la yeah, better re mi fa la so do. They sang it three times. Okay. The progression is honorable to offer. So okay, do fa mi so do fa mi so honorable to honorable so do fa mi so honorable created a bass line out of it. I played do do mi so, do do mi fa so, re la so fa, do do mi fa so, re la so fa, do do mi fa so, re la so fa. Okay, for bass line, when you get the progression, you can easily create a bass line out of it based on several concepts. Okay. I added go slow. Do, do, mi, fa, do, simple. Okay. Wherever you wherever. When I play the first one, when I spelled the first one, for the second one I didn't spell it. Okay. I played wherever. Okay. I played do do sure sure do do sure. Okay. Do sure do. Okay, todo, re, do, I didn't play it. Okay, I just hammered onto it. Okay, I think they call it slur or something. So, re, do. Okay, so basically that's the whole concept of the song. Okay, that's the whole concept.